Hi guys, here's a short video, short update on my Lincoln Town Car. So before we start, let's have a look at the sky. Look at that. The mountains are all gone. The last couple hours we had a lot of bad smoke blowing in from the west coast, from California, Oregon, from one of the fires there, or all of the fires, I don't know. And these are our mountains. They're not that far away, you can barely see them. Now here we have the mountains on the west coast, on the west side, not on the west coast, and you can barely see those either. To be honest, I can't see them at all with my eyes, so that's pretty bad. We're hoping to get a good storm and blow that smoke to someone else on the east coast, so they can deal with it. This is the town car, runs fine. Have no problems with it. As you can see, almost has 43,000 miles now. And the reason I make this video is I had someone on my channel and he pointed out every single thing on this town car that's supposedly not stock or original or OEM in his opinion. And let me tell you what, I know that, you know. I've had cars for many years, since the 90s. I know what's original and what's not original. That wind is blowing in here. The thing is, some of it, most of it, I know all of it in fact, was ordered by the first owner through the Lincoln dealership. I said Ford dealership. Lincoln dealership. For example, see those emblems? They're all gold plated. That was an option that you could order when you bought your car through your Lincoln dealership. See? So it was like a dealer add-on or dealer add-on package. I don't know what it was called. If someone knows, please let me know. Next thing, this right here. This was added, and the roof, like a canvas roof, was all added. What else do we have? That fender trim right there, that was added. And of course, see those B pillars in chrome, that was added as well. So yeah, I do know that is not what a Lincoln Town Car looks like when it comes out of the factory. I know that, but it's not like someone went to AutoZone and just bought a whole bunch of crap and added it on. No, nobody slapped it on. This came from the dealer, and so while it might not be OEM stock, it still kind of is, if that makes sense. You can tell me your opinion if you want to, and tell me what this cost. Maybe someone knows what the dealers asked for this, for those options, and we can talk about it. I do like it. That's why I leave everything the way it is. I like the roof too. It's a matter of taste. Some people like it, some people hate it. I think it looks good. It doesn't look good on a newer car, like if you have a Cadillac GTS or something newer. I don't think those kind of roofs, vinyl or canvas, look that great, but on these town cars, they look good. That was it. That's all I wanted to share. And the good thing about that smoke is the temperatures went down. They went from about 100 down to about 80 right now, which feels good. Okay, wish you have a good day, and see you in the next video. Have a good one.